Welcome to the unboxing of the Gator Case GK76. This is for the Yamaha Genos 2 or the Yamaha Genos 1. It should fit either or. It costs $280. I didn't say to the guy, hey, can you help me out with a price? I should have. I'm stupid. Anyway, here we go. We're going to unbox this and then see if the Genos 1 fits inside. Here we go. Anything can happen during an unboxing video. True unboxers cut away from you. Always cut away from you. You cut your finger off, you can't play the keyboard anymore. You know what I'm saying. No padding on the inside of this cardboard box. Want to see inside? See? Look at that. So I want to say that I've been taking my Genos since November 2023 to different gigs without a case, just propping it in the front seat. And, you know, it's thousands of dollars, that keyboard. It's, you know, all the things you could buy instead of the keyboard, but it's so beautiful. It's beautiful. And finally, a case to protect that amazing investment. They got a twist tie on this end. It's from Sweetwater. You got the candy, and I can't eat that. It's not good for me. I'll give it to the squirrels. Nah, I can't do that. There it is. The Gator Case. GK76. It is a firm foam case, yet it is not going to be so heavy as an SKB case. Here's the handle. Velcroed together. Very cool. This pocket, I doubt if I'll use. I have a canvas bag I keep stuff in. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. $280, not so bad. You get these little sleeves. Wow, that's nice. And this mesh holding area. Wow. That's nice. Many a case I've have had these pockets. They eventually get worn off. Not necessarily. I'm not saying anything bad against Gator cases. So, you have this handle. It seems wonderful. This handle at this end, and you got these wheels. Are you seeing the wheels at all? It's very nice. The wheels. Very cool. Let's see the other end. The other end also has a handle. Movable handle. Take a look at the back. On the back, if it was used as a luggage thing, it's got this little pocket. I suppose that's of some importance. And another handle here. And these wonderful protective plastic feet that extend all the way down to the bottom. Oh, look at that, slipping and sliding around because of the nice wheels. Now, you won't need this knife anymore, as far as I know. Okay. So now, let's see if it fits. Wow, what if I open this and find out the keyboard does not fit? Well, the salesman at Sweetwater, I'm not gonna lie, it was Sweetwater. This top part does seem flimsy, but it's a case, and it's gonna be just fine. It'll be great. These things are great. You could put the keyboard on here, or this is another padding that would happen for the top reinforcement. And of course it's Velcro. These are wonderful. And here we go. Without I'm not going to put the these over the top as a protective thing right now. We're just going to see if it fits. We know it's going to fit this way, but what about this way? Because that baby, that Genos is quite the depth. There's a height, and then there's the depth, which is that way. Here we go. When I look at it now, it doesn't seem like it's going to fit. But here I go. And it fits. It fits, but it is not swimming. It is pressing it's pressing a little bit, just a little bit on one edge. Let's see if I'll make sure I get it all the way there. Looking good. It's looking wonderful. It's looking good. Now, here's the, we'll put the top on. Of course, it fits wonderful that way, perfectly. And then we'll zip it up. You know what I don't like about this case? And there's no way to get around it. It is 25 pounds. That's pretty light, right? The Genos 1 is like 28 pounds. And what's it gonna feel like when I pick it up just now? It's gonna be a lot better than transporting it by itself from your home to your vehicle, because I wish there was more of a grip of a handle. I've said this before, the Hammond SK2, the dual manual, the old Hammond SK2, which was not that old. Today is the 19th of January, 2024. Anyway, that has a built-in handle on that keyboard, on that Hammond. Here we go. Putting the handle together, and I'm gonna see how much it weighs. Wow, that's a lot of weight, baby. That's a lot of weight. But you get this to your vehicle, but it's got the wheels, right? Well, in a lot of situations, you're going to need to go this way and not the width, the height-wise. But, yeah, that's manageable. That feels good. I mean, this is the lightest case you could get. You could get a bag with 0 padding, but that would not protect it very well. Thanks for watching. There it is. And I'll show you the logo better right here. The Gator case. Bye.